Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works Hobby Expo China exclusive. This is the Honda Integra Type R DC2 MUGEN, and this is a special edition, like I said, for Hobby Expo China 2025. And this is of course Tarmac Works Global 64, a release in this nice looking box with the gorgeous city background right there of, I don't know where, Hong Kong maybe. Global 64 scale model 164, maybe it's this in China, I'm not sure, somewhere of course. Global 64 and 164 again. There's the car. Over on the back right here, yeah, Tarmac Works CLDC, exclusive car lover diecast exclusive Honda official licensed product, Honda Integra DC2 MUGEN in Milano red, as you can see. Hold on. So the color is called Milano red. That's nice. Made in China. There are your socials, and yeah, CLDC car lover diecast. I didn't buy it from CLDC. I actually bought this from a reseller so that I can check out this new casting and review it to you guys. So without further ado, let's open this up. So it's a new casting for 2025 made by Tarmac Works. I've not seen a Honda Integra DC2 MUGEN before. Now we've seen the prototype shown by Mr. Felix during the Instagram live, like a couple of months ago. I was shown off over at an Instagram live and forgot when was it, but it was a couple of months ago. And yeah, it showed the prototype concept of this car, and currently it is now in a 164 scale model right here, available to purchase in, yeah, Hobby Expo China event exclusive. Now yeah, this is the first release and it's an event exclusive, as you can see. Pretty cool. Love the red body paint job right here, Milano red. Love the color. And yeah, you have the JDM-esque vibes to it. As yeah, DC2, quite a great looking two-door car, as you can see. Sort of like a sports coupe, is it? Is it coupe or sedan? I'm not sure. I don't think sedan, more to like a coupe. Yeah, it looks great. Hold on. Great looking car with yeah, a lot of interesting details. Does come with a Japanese license plate, as you can see, which looks stunning. So yeah, the Hobby Expo China event, there were two event models, both were in red. One is this, the Honda Integra DC2, sorry, Integra Type 2, I think, yeah, MUGEN. And how would I say this? The car is pretty new, I would say, newly released. This is the first color being released in Milano red. The next color will be in white soon, metallic white, and then the color after that will be in metallic yellow coming soon, so like a mustard yellow color. And this just looks nice. Love the paint job, the design, pretty clean. Love the cleanliness of this color and car, I'd say. I think there will be a black one coming out soon, isn't it? I'm not sure. A very, very fascinating looking car, I'd say. Great looking Integra. Love the design that they've currently produced, of course. So yeah, let's actually take a close look at our Honda Integra DC2 Type R, as you can see right here. So yeah, first of all, we do have these dark, how would I say this, sort of like dark copper-ish color, I think. Yeah, nearly brown. Very interesting. Clean side profile right here. Not sure what does that say. I think Integra, I'm not sure. And hang on, let me just read this. Oh yeah, no, it does say something. It says type R right there, and it says Mugen right here, and there is like a small little pinstripe and also a yellow and black color right there, which is great. And of course it does come with side mirrors, of course, plastic side mirrors, which are great. Oops, right there. Transparent lensed headlights right here. Front grille, license plate with the number 2 on it right there, DC2, nice. Honda logo right there. You do have some vents right here on the hood, middle of the hood, which looks great. Here's the windshield, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, right hand drive, and yeah, blacked out seats as well, look great. Roof, no sunroof sadly, but still really good looking car. I think the real car doesn't even have a sunroof actually. Here is the side of the car, pretty neat, I'd like to see it. Over on the back right here, you do have this massive rear spoiler, which yeah, the sides are colored in red, and over on the top of this spoiler, it is sort of like this matte silverish paint job, which is nice. And you do have the Honda logo right there, the rear lights, the brake lights, and also the blinkers right there. Number 2 license plate right there again, and exhaust tube over on the right side right here of the car. And moving towards the base, metal blacked out base, Tarmac works, 1/64 scale Honda Mugen Integra Type R DC2, and made in China. And of course you have the screws if you wanna, you know, swap out the rims or do whatever you want, customize it or something. Quite a nice looking car made by Tarmac. Great choice right now that Tarmac works is basically trying to find more different scale models, or sorry, different cars to make them into diecast, so that yeah, many of you guys will actually join the Tarmac works, like collecting sort of hobby right here, so that you all will be collecting more Tarmac in the future. So they're trying to their best to expand the Tarmac works like brand, and basically trying to develop more new different cars and try new things with Tarmac, especially Tarmac cards. They are trying a lot of new things. And yeah, also speaking of Honda, there is a, if you don't know, a Honda Tarmac cars Honda like set coming out soon, somewhere in July or August of 2025, and it is basically the Honda collection of NSX, which yeah, can't wait to see it and collect a few cars, of course, and update them into my Tarmac cars collection. But overall, I would say it is a nonetheless nice nice collection to basically add, of course. And yeah, what a great car to add into the collection. Let me know what you think down in the comments about this Honda Integra DC2 made by Tarmac Works. Hope to see a lot more other colors in the future. Maybe I might buy either the white or the yellow one in the future. But let me know what you think down in the comments. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.